Okay, so this is kind of how your videos are going to look. We are going to have a YouTube channel that has a playlist for each one of your classes, preschool all the way to 3rd grade. 4th through 8th are going to be using Google Classroom. So your pre-K through 3rd are going to have your name as the beginning part of your video. And you're going to create that in iMovie on the iPads. I have detailed instructions on how to do this. If you have any questions, you can ask. But this video basically is a sample of what yours will look like. Let's just say the first thing I'm going to talk about is phonics. So after I video this little part, I'm just going to stop because this would be like an introduction. Now let's just say this part is my phonics lesson. All I did was press stop on the record and I started a new recording. So right here is where I would teach about phonics. After I'm finished with my phonics lesson, I would press stop on the recording. Now this would be my math lesson plan. This would be where I teach about anything math, and when I'm done, I would just press stop. After you do those recordings, then you're going to go into iMovie. When you go into iMovie, you're just going to select the slides that I've already made that have your name, then your videos, and there's also slides that have what subject that you're doing. There is a phonics, reading, and math. Preschool to 3rd grade are going to be doing those subjects. So if you're preschool and you're not doing math and you're a 2-year-old class, then don't use that one. But if you need it, go ahead and put it in that slide. The goal is to have all of the days or the week's videos in one. So that's why we're going to make an iMovie. After you make your iMovie, all you have to do is tap on, when you complete it, you tap on the name. Sometimes it saves it as My Movie. All you do is tap on where it says My Movie, and you can change what it says. Just to make it easier for me to upload everything, if you could save it as your grade, your name, and then the dates for those lessons. Let's just say the lessons are for March 23rd through the 27th, and it's 1st grade Davis's class. We would say 1st grade Davis 323 through 27, and that's it. And just save it as that so I know what to upload it as on our YouTube channel in the playlist. And if you have any other questions, just ask, email, text, it doesn't matter. I'm here to help y'all through this month because I don't have any lessons that I need to do for the library. I'm here to help y'all get your lessons uploaded as efficiently as possible and to make it easy as possible for the parents to help their kids. Anyways, I hope this explained how this is going to work.